Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show app screen button on your Samsung home screen. So guys, let's just open our settings application on a Samsung phone. We can tap on the setting application. Then we're going to select the home screen setting, this one. Just tap on this home screen setting and we are going to click on this show app screen button on home screen. Tap on this toggle button to activate this button, and after that we can go to our home screen to check the app screen button. Alright guys, and this is the app screen button, and right after this button showing up on our home screen, we can use it to open our application on our Android phone. So I'm going to show you how it works. We can tap it. Okay, and we can access our Android application by tapping on this button like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can show app screen button on Samsung Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.